popular bass lines for aspiring bassists, and today we have the Illusions bass line by Creed. Great song, and it's a great song to learn as an aspiring bassist. Good bass line, real solid. Some definitely some movements in there that are cool. It's in the key of G. It changes in there, and a guitar solo it changes a key, but it's for the most part it's in the key of G. So we'll break that down. So if you're new to my channel, I've got lots of bass guitar tips, lessons, bass guitar gear reviews, everything you need to know about the bass and how to play the bass is all here. So definitely hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. Get in the loop. You don't want to miss a beat. And if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, and get your free ebook on setting your bass up to you. Everything you need to know how to adjust this to your needs, from adjusting the neck relief, the bridge, saddles, everything in there that you need to know how to adjust this to you, because they're all custom to each of us. We like it a different way, and that's all subject to you. So get that and get well on your way to adjusting that, customizing this bass to you. Now, like I said, we were covering Illusions by Creed. Great song, great band. It was a shame they broke up and went down that path, but definitely great, and they're still great. They're putting out some good stuff now. They've separated the singer and the rest of the band separated, but they still do lots of good stuff, and they're still out there, so you haven't missed out. But on this one, this is some of their older stuff back in the 90s, mid 90s. This is the Illusions, and it's off of My Own Prison, probably their biggest album off of that they put out. But big time, when that sucker hit, people loved it, and just a lot of good stuff there. So I'm going to play along with it, and then I'll break it down for you. Alright, so see you in a minute. Alright, so that's it. A couple tough spots in there, you know, good workout for your arm. Definitely a good workout for your fret hand, definitely. And so like I say, not too difficult, but definitely a workout. A good workout, but so that right there is a workout. You can feel it right there, and that's good. That's a good thing. No pain, no gain, right? But like I said, this is in the key of G. Most of it's in the key of G. So it starts off just the bass, and it's I think he's got his 4-string tuned down to a B, B-E-A-D, possibly, because it sounds real, you know, real loose in there. So I think that's what he's done. But if not, you've got the 5-string. If you don't have a 5-string, tune that E down to a low B. But for 5-stringers, we'll start off with the right here on B, B to F sharp to D to F sharp to G, and then D. So B, F sharp, D, F sharp, octave F sharp, G, and then D. So it does that like 4 times at the intro. The drums come in 2 times. It does that 2 times, and the drums come in, and then I think the guitars come in the same time. But just break it down, you know. There's like a A, B, and C section in the song, so that's the A section. And then he slides into it, and then that's the verse comes in. And that's just B, F sharp, D. And it's real staccato, real laid back there. I don't even think that, I keep hitting that note, that's not there. Okay, so that's going to be all that is in the verse. That's the verse right there. And then he goes into the chorus, which is the intro. But there's a lick right there after that verse, that 4th time in the verse, the very last section of the verse, there is a lick there. So it's, now this is the lick on the 4th time right there. And that's the lick's just going to be going on, starting on D. So he goes. So it's just going to be D, and then C, the C, just the pentatonic. So D, so he starts on D, starts pedaling a little bit, building on D, and then he comes in C, D, F, G, A, C, A, and then it goes into the chorus. When he says when it's just an illusion, they change his, they're anticipating the downbeat through most of the chorus. Then he says just an illusion. So he's hitting right on the downbeats on that last part of every chorus. He does that, just an illusion. When he comes in and says just an illusion, it's right on the downbeat. Except for that right there. So then after that chorus, we go into another verse, and he does that lick again, only on the 2nd time. Does a slide. And then it does it the 3rd time. And then we do that lick again. Then we go into the chorus. goes into the chorus there, and now after this chorus, the fourth time on that, we go into the guitar solo, and it changes totally. It changes, so it's the last time of the choruses. Now the guitar solo is right here, and it starts on that D, and it goes D to say B flat or A sharp, C, A. So D, I'm gonna say, we'll say B flat. Pretty much changing from G to key of F right there. So that makes sense. From G to F, you got one sharp and one flat change. So it's not a big key change, but it fits. So it's E, B flat, C, A. And that's the entire guitar solo, but he does a couple licks in there. He lays back the first couple times. So that's going. So he does the octave A, and then does D to E. Basic, just a couple octave jumps in there. You can use those at your discretion, you know, because unless you're playing along with the song, play it perfectly like he does, learn his lines, get the feel for how he plays bass, and add that to your abilities. So that'll help give you a little color too. So then then it changes, it's still doing that. Then it builds right here on the C for a second, like the fourth time. It builds and it changes. It's still the same chord progression, but this A, it changes. So we build a little bit. Just does that. He goes to the F, 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 E, F, to the D. So then it does that. So once it comes right after that, then it builds again. Build right here. Jumps right into a chorus right after that. So it builds on that C right at the end of that guitar solo. It builds a little bit here, and then jumps right into the chorus. Does this, and then we break into that actually it's a D section. The D section there is like just a break, but a long break in that there. So it goes to the chorus. So after the guitar solo, chorus 4 times, and then it goes. That's the easier way. You have to work that out a little bit. You can use that open D. I think using that open A, open A is a little easier. No, you work it out, but that option is that open A is an option there. But the lick is just going to be F sharp, F sharp, F sharp to G, F sharp G, F sharp to the D. And then it hits the D like two D, and then 2 more times. Because the lick starts on the D. Okay, so the lick is F sharp to G, F sharp to G, F sharp to G, to G to D, and then D, and then lick D, F sharp, G, A, F, G, F sharp. So it's just D, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, D. that's a good workout right there, because they do it like almost 16 times, but that's a workout right there. So you might tighten up a little bit. I know I did. So so that's it. Then it goes back into the chorus. And then it does it 2 times, and it ends on the F sharp actually. She kind of gives it a little dissonance, kind of cool to end it on the F sharp. You don't get a resolve at all. Should go to that G, but it ends on that F sharp. So that's it. Like I say, a good workout. Maybe take that with the tempo, with the metronome, and slow it down just to get the workout. And get a finger positioning that's comfortable. I kind of just worked this song out, so that was just what I went with. But I'm thinking maybe using that open, utilize that open A. Be a little less workout, but you know, build the muscles in your hand. Do it the hard way and build those muscles up in your hand, and that's how you're going to progress for sure. So if you haven't, like I said, subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in the loop, don't miss a beat. And if you liked it and got some value out of it, help me help you. Hit that like button, and I will catch y'all on the flip flop in the next video. Bye now.